the thumbs up, that's a like. Then hit subscribe and hit that bell and watch my whole video. Would you like to see me create a low poly Halloween jack-o'-lantern on the iPad using Procreate? You would? Just watch. I love drawing, painting, creating pumpkins during autumn, Halloween, and Thanksgiving. I created a drawing of a pumpkin on my iPad, and then I took that drawing and broke it down into triangular shapes. Then I chose a palette of colors, and you can see those around my drawing that I wanted to use for my low poly jack-o'-lantern. It's very easy on the iPad, but if you're just drawing a pumpkin on paper, once you have drawn your pumpkin, all you have to do is create triangles inside your pumpkin shape and color it in different colors. And you can make your very own low cost, low poly jack-o'-lantern after you, of course, put your jack-o'-lantern face on. Now, if you're sticking around to the end of my video, you will see that I have created numerous different jack-o'-lantern faces on my pumpkin. Can you figure out which one you like the best? And always make sure you like, subscribe, share your video with a friend, come back to see me again, and hang around to the end of the video because Mr. Smith always has a surprise at the end. Take care.